What's up everybody, Sam here. Today we are going to unbox the Jimmy PW11 Pro Max. This is 5-in-1 vacuum and washer. This is a solution for full house cleaning. So just forget about your normal rubber vacuum cleaner, forget about your mop, forget about all your other cleaners. Just get this one, you are good to go. Open the box, we found a multi-language menu, several languages. We have the holder for those accessories, as you can see. This head is like meant for max cleaning. Tube, a brush, the main tube. Oh. We have the head. The cable, brush. Wow, we also have the detergent. It's 480 milliliter. The battery. Alright, there is another layer. That's the big head for the floor. The charging holder. Check out the mop dual roller. What? Okay, finally the base. That is the base. That's what's all included in the box. So let me just organize a little bit so you can see clearly what's all in the box. Alright, that's it. And guys, it's all about combination. So first, let's just install the battery. Okay, that's the head. You see, just connect to this head so you can use. The head is like flexible, so you can clean like every corner of your house. Alright, and this. Firm and steady. Lastly, I want to show you this charging base. Okay. Okay, that's it. And don't forget this holder. And now we put this to the charging base. Okay, let's go. Okay, you see here? That's it. Then this, okay? Just like that. This head here, 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 here. And okay, the cable. So for cable, we can just connect right here. And finally, this. That is really high. And everything is organized, all right? And to see the cleaning performance, everything about this machine, please stay tuned. And that's the video. Thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.